spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh, I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited.